Good morning. Sorry, there is a weird light on my mouth, illuminating my mouth. It is Sunday, December 10th. We're in the car. Yep. Headed to the, oh my goodness, my brain is sludge today. Where are we going?
Avery's play.
Avery's production at their church. Brady has just noticed the beam in the middle of our house, in the middle of the living room, is falling down. So we're both a bit encompassed in our thoughts about the living room beam and getting it fixed.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm very tired this morning. I don't know if Brady's as tired. I think probably not far off. But we didn't get gone early enough for getting coffee on the way, so we're just headed straight there. It's pretty dead out though, so it shouldn't be too hard to get there. So we're back from church, watching Avery's little production, and the madness has begun. So I'm gonna flip this around. This beam that Brady's measuring is going to be covered and textured and all of that like the ones we have up here. Move out of his way. They're, I guess, like a rough cedar, and then they're stained. But as you can see over here, well, I mean, you can see it. There is a gap.
Okay, I'm gonna show him.
Yeah, let me zoom it back out. Where the beam is coming down. Okay. Yeah. So we got a gap.
Nice little gap there. This thing, I pushed on it. It does not move.
I saw it move with a hair.
Did you?
Yeah. Not anymore. Not again.
So I'm gonna have to use a jack to jack that thing back up, put some new nails in, and rehang the beam that goes from there down to there.
Yeah, the two beams like we've got
There's one there,
on the other side.
and there's one here that'll come down. So, here you go. The fridge is still open.
Oh yeah, I was getting a drink out. So, we had things we had planned to do today. They weren't quite this intensive. But, now we're fixing a beam. I'm looking for as you guys have learned, I love the flavored waters. Looking for one of those. Nice, yummy ice drinks. This one's pineapple orange.
6 and 15/16.
You're gonna measure the whole way?
I'm just gonna call it 7.
Because the ceiling is uneven?
Yeah, that's gonna be a problem.
Mm-hmm.
The whole way.
Mm-hmm. So maybe we only do the other side today? I don't know either, honey. This is not what I want
This
to...
is even. Most of the way. Most of the way.
Mm-hmm. Well, it is what was originally there.
What was?
This wall.
Yeah, this wall was originally there. This beam was not.
Right.
And this drywall, thankfully this drywall's the same height. This drywall seems to...
This drywall is not the same height. You have been creating
Oh, that's right.
a fade
Yeah.
that's going to take a year to get that fade to look good. No, it's smaller.
Well, looks like I got work to do.
Yeah. Can I plug in the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
So we can at least have a little bit of happy in this living room?
Yes.
I would like to do that.
You have plants in here?
I do have... I haven't filmed them yet! I haven't showed you the plants! Brady just reminded me. Okay. Man, this candle smells so good. Every time you bend over to plug in the lights, you know, you get a whiff of this candle.
That's good.
And it's the...
Smells good?
Yeah. This is just a little candle we got from Hobby Lobby when we picked up this candle holder because we needed a candle to stick in it. All the candles I have, and yes, I do have a lot of them, but all the ones I have are big glass candles, so we didn't have anything to put in there. But it's it needed to be a pretty candle because it doesn't have a container or anything, so yeah, it's really good. Oh, like these. Robbie got us these. This one is Autumn. They're the Bath and Body Works is what I am trying to say.
I'm not going to stain it before I put it up there.
I didn't think so. Especially since we're going to have to redo all of the ceiling stuff.
Yeah.
We're going to have to do all of that mudding still. And
Yeah.
you can see how much of that popcorn crap has stuck to this one.
Yeah.
It's going to
Yep.
make it a whole lot harder, but
Yep. We were going to have to deal with it over there.
oh yeah, that is not attached to the ceiling anymore.
Yeah, it's falling.
Yeah,
It's falling.
yeah. When did we cut the stuff off?
A long time ago?
Yeah, yeah. That was when you borrowed the tool when Steven was here helping you.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. I knew that. Yeah. So,
But yes, it's not attached, correct. I need to set that up. And I'm wondering...
so right here, these side beams were, I guess, supporting it, which makes sense. We just didn't really think about it.
Yeah. I thought it was held up more...
Right, that it was all decorative and that all of those things were attached to the ceiling.
Yeah.
And yeah, so these side beams obviously have been out since the beginning. I've never seen them up there,
Yeah.
but it's detaching
Well, I could use your
here
help
too.
for
Okay,
a little while, for a little bit.
okay.
If you want to set up that on
Do a time lapse.
time lapse.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Move that. Yeah, I can set up a time lapse. Where do you want me to put it? So I guess I need to change out of my dress.
You probably don't need to change out your dress.
Oh, it's not that.
No, I just need you to help hold the beam on this end.
Help hold the beam on this end.
Yeah, on the short end. I'm getting the steps to water your car.
Oh, okay, okay. I got you. There we have it. I want to show you these little adorable plants. Yeah, they're amazing. We've put them in little, it's really close up. We've put them,
Step spool's already out of your car.
oh yeah, I carried it in.
I would set it up on that chair.
Okay. I'll do a better one in a little bit. We're gonna set up a time lapse now. Good morning. Good morning. car is still loaded down. You can probably see in the background. And I'm actually in a really horrible mood right now, so I'm hoping chatting with you all will make it better. Yeah, that's my hope. I'm getting gone late. I was supposed to be unlocking the building so everybody can get in there, and I am running late, so that's awesome. And I couldn't find my hard drive that I do all of my work from, which is very not good. But it just occurred to me, it might be in my bag from this weekend. I think I took it this weekend and I didn't take my backpack. I just took a like overnight bag. It might be in there. I bet you that's where it is. Okay, there. Inside. Outside. Inside the plane. Okay, then I will turn to the outside too. Although they were going very slow. Yeah, so I don't have that to do work on. Guys, it's just one of those mornings, you know? Oh, goodness. Goodness, guys. Well, how are your mornings going? That is more important. How are they? How are you guys? How was the weekend? Because it is Monday. Monday, December 11th. Let's see if I'm right. Yeah, I am. Monday, December 11th. It's crazy that the middle of December is this week. We are getting close to Christmas, which is just nuts. How does time move so fast? I have no idea. Excuse me, sorry. I waved at the happy guy. I mentioned him before. I had the guy always there waving. He's just so happy. Yeah, how is it already almost Christmas? I feel like, honestly, I feel like we should still be in October. I feel like we should not be coming up on the middle of December. It's crazy. But we are. So here we go. Yeah, it's just nuts. Sorry for the yawning. So yeah, what are Christmas plans? I've got some of my Christmases starting this coming weekend, the 16th and 17th. The extended family Christmases are both this coming weekend. So yeah, it'll be really busy, but it'll also be fun. I should probably quit recording. I don't have a whole lot to say, but it is making me feel better talking to you all. Just getting my, I guess, brain distracted, moving on, chatting elsewhere, you know? Chatting and getting it out a little bit, but talking about other stuff. Sorry, my elbow. Everything hurts. other butt cheek that was nausea medicine. And finally, when that pain medicine started kicking in and I quit feeling like I was dying, I was just utterly exhausted. And I was just sitting there like falling asleep as we're, you know, finishing up. And I think that was probably the most tired I've ever been. So I forgot to end last night's vlog. Sorry about that. That was really bright also. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Give the video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that fun, happy, very easy stuff. And I will see you tomorrow, which is today, in just a few minutes when I start today's vlog. Bye!